Hello, CAD students. This is Mr. Erickson. I'm going to do a quick demonstration to help you with a part of the Week 9 Assignment 1 Blocks with Attributes assignment. For this exercise, you're supposed to download this PDF that is in the assignment and review it. And then you are to also download this file, which you're going to do some stuff with it after we complete the first part of the exercises. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. We can look at it. All right, this is the PDF, so read through here just to get an overview of what the concept is about creating blocks with attributes. And the exercise begins right here on this page where it says Exercise 16-7, creating a block with attributes. It's highlighted here in yellow. So you're supposed to start a brand new drawing using AutoCAD DWT drawing template, and then you are to create a window tag drawing shown in figure 1623 on layer 0 at 000 with the following attributes and settings. So this is what you're going to create, okay? And it's going to have these attributes. So let me open that up. Maybe I don't have that downloaded. And I've downloaded it a third time, so here we go. There it is. All right, so I'm going to have this available so I can look at it as I'm working. So I started a brand new drawing. It's right here. Let me go to the assignment and zoom in a little bit here on the right side. All right, so first thing we're going to do is create this circle here. The circle is going to have a diameter of 0.5 inches. So I'm going to create a circle. Click here, type 0.25, which is the radius, but the diameter from there to there is 0.5. That's correct. I'm going to move it from here to 0,0 so that it's sitting right at the origin. The way I did that was I had to turn off my dynamic input first, so I hit the F12 key, which turned it off. I'm going to turn it back on now. Okay, so it's sitting right there at the origin, and now I'm going to make the attributes. The command to make the attributes is ATTDEF. So I'm going to type in ATTDEF, enter. The properties for the attributes are shown in the PDF. They're right here. One thing it doesn't tell you in this PDF about the assignment, about what to do for the text settings, is that you should set your text height to 0.125 inches. Or you could set it to, let's set it to 0.25, a quarter of an inch. See if that works. But what we want to do is set the justification for the tag to be middle center. Okay, it doesn't say that in the assignment, but I'm telling you now that you should do this, middle center. We'll set the text height to 0.25. And so we look right here. The first one is, it says tag, is the tag category is tag, so we type TAG, all capitals. The prompt is enter window tag. The default is A, capital A, and the mode is visible, which means that the invisible box should be unchecked. So there's nothing else I need to change. That's all fine. Click OK. I'm going to center this right on my circle. Okay. If you did set it to middle center, if you click on the text, you'll get a grip that is middle center, which you can then use to snap to the middle of the circle. So I have a snap right in the center. I can actually snap right to the center of my circle. So now I know that is centered. All right. Another thing that it doesn't show you in the assignment, it doesn't talk about here, is when we go back into the ATTDEF command, the attribute definition command, you want to click on the box that says place the next one right below it, because it'll make your life a little bit easier. So I'm going to type in ATTDEF, and I'm going to check this box right here. It says align below previous attribute definition. All right, so I'm going to look at the next one. The next one, the tag is type. The prompt is enter window type. The default is fixed, and the mode is invisible. Click OK, and it puts it right below that one. I'm going to go right back into the command by just pressing the space bar. It'll take me right back into the command, and I'm just going to enter the rest of these. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause the video for a second, and then I'm going to enter the rest of them, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. So we're just following the steps that I did on the previous one. All right, so I've created all of the attributes, tag, type, width, height, and manufacturer using these parameters. So the next step here is to turn this into a block. Okay, so I'm just going to type B for block. Press enter. It's named WinTag, WINTAG. My base point, I want to pick the point. So I want to click pick point, and I want to put it right at the center of the circle. Select my objects. So click on the select object button, select everything here. So all the attributes and the circle. Press enter, and that's it. That's all I need. Click OK. And what it's going to do is it's going to show me my attributes. Click OK, and that's fine. Now it is a block with attributes. So that's all it's going to do. All the the definitions for the attributes goes away, and all I see is the one attribute, which is the one that was made visible. All the other ones were invisible. They're still there, but they're behind the scene. If I double click on my block, I will see the attributes. There they are. Okay, and I can modify them. So I'm going to open up the file that I need to download, that I need to put all of these in. So the exercise 16-8. Open that up. Here it is. And so I have my tag right here. I'm just going to select it, right click, go to clipboard, copy, come back to 16-8, right click, clipboard, paste, put it anywhere I want, right there. I need to scale it up. It says to do that, scale 48 is the scale factor, which is, there you go. And now I need to put it on a layer, the correct layer. I want it to be on the ANO note layer, ANO note, and there we go. So the way to do this is to put all of the A's in the right location, okay? That's my advice to you. I'm going to show this to you, but this will save you a lot of time. What you're going to do is you're going to place them at all of these locations as shown in this PDF right here. You're going to have to change the parameters for the B's, C's, D's, and E's. So you're going to have to change them for all the B's, C's, D's, and E's. But the A's are all the same. The A's are already in there. All the information is in there for the A's. So for the A's, just look at this diagram and place them everywhere that the A's are. So if you just place one and then just copy it, just like this. So I can copy it over here. Since I used my base point as that corner, I can just do it over and over again. Copy, Bring this one down, copy it, bring it straight down. There we go. I'll copy this. I don't care about Trump's tweets right now. So all right, so copy this over here, 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 and here. Let's see if there's any more A's. Oh, those two are A's, those two are A's, and those two are A's. All right, then we'll be done. So A, and A. Let's see, is that right? And that's it. Okay. So now you go to the next one. So I'm looking right here. I'm going to put this B right there, that B, and I'm going to change the attributes for that one B, and then I'm going to copy it to all the other B's. So just do it once. Okay. So copy this, put it right here, and then double click on it. That'll open up the dialog. Type in attributes. The value, the tag is B. Okay, I need to look at the other attributes. So I'm going to put this side by side. Okay, the B's are right there. Here's the B's. Okay, here's B. So I'm going to double click on my tag. Look at so I can see my attributes. And I'm going to change the type is fixed. That's correct. The width is 3'6", so I have to change that. 6. The height is correct, it's 4 feet, and the manufacturer is Acme, so that's correct. Okay, so I would copy that to where all the B's are. I'm just going to go ahead and do the C and the D real quick. So I'm going to copy this, copy CO, put it right there, change that to a C. Look at my C's over here. The type is fixed. The width is 2'6". The height is 3 foot. And the manufacturer is Acme. That's fine. Okay. And copy it again. Change that to D. Type is casement. The width is 2 foot. The height is 3 foot. And the manufacturer is Glassarama. Just like that. And I have one more, it's E. So copy. Alright, this is E. The type is a side light. The width is 1 foot. The height is 4 feet. And the manufacturer is Season All Windows. All right, there they are. Okay, so now I can just go through and copy them where they need to go. So this is C goes over here. Now you want these to be relatively in the same position everywhere, so especially ones that are in a continuous row like this, it's really kind of important that you keep them in the same line. So in this one, I want to make sure this is BBB. All right, so I'm back. I took a second to go ahead and add all the tags to the correct locations. So you can see I have all the A's, B's, C's, D's, and E's in the correct location, and the blocks have the appropriate attributes. The next part is to go through and use the data extraction wizard to pull the data from the tags. So all those tags contain data, so if I click on them, there is these attributes hold, these tags hold information. And I can pull all that information out of the tags and put it into a table using the data extraction wizard. So that would be the next. So I'm not going to cover that right now. I may include that in another video soon, but just as for now, this is all I'm gonna include. So if you have any questions, please email me.